Are you ready for the third secret? Yeah. वो कौन सी तीसरी चीज है जिसको अगर आप सीख जाएं तो you would be able to make quick gains in the market. I hope previous two tips has helped you to improve as a trader. Now the third tip here is that always add a zero to your trading outcome. ठीक है, जो भी आपका ट्रेडिंग आउटकम है उसमें हमेशा एक जीरो ऐड करिए. This is one of my favorite method which I teach my students, because there are thousands of traders who are not my traders, my students, but they ask me this question that how I can improve my trading immediately. So the answer is add a zero to your trading outcome. ठीक है, because I want you to think about the next level. For example, मान लीजिए आज आपको 10,000 का प्रॉफिट हुआ. I want you to add another zero to this 10,000 profit so that you can think, okay, अगर मैंने ये चीजें जो आज की ट्रेडिंग में फॉलो किया, if I continue to follow these things, my next level is a lakh of rupees. ठीक है. On the contrary side, suppose you have lost 5,000 rupees in today's market. ठीक है. Now I again want you to add a zero to behind your 5,000 rupees loss, so that you understand कि आपकी एक गलती बाजार में, what is your next level loss is the 50,000. So you will always be compelled to think about your next level, and your seriousness about the trading, about your trading disciplines and trading rules will immediately go to the next level, because you know that if I continue to do the same mistakes, what could be my future? Because as a trader we build on, हम build up करते हैं, we build our account from 50,000 to 5 lakh rupees, maybe 1 year, 2 years down the line, and then from 5 lakh to 50 lakh rupees 5 years down the line. So in the process of building up your account, if you also need to become a better trader at every step, because you need different level of expertise at every single step, right? So what you have to do today, right, you have to add a zero to your trading outcome. Because अभी क्या होता है, अगर आपको 5,000 का लॉस हुआ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you are not respecting it, you are not that serious about your stop losses, about your losses. But once you think it could be 50,000, if I don't stop making the same mistakes right now, it could be a 50,000 then in future. So your what you are disrespecting right now, that will be removed from your thought process. Yeah. Or suppose if you know what is your trading strength, right? So you know, okay, this is my strength, this is the thing I have to do as a trader. तो अगर ये चीजें मैं करता रहूँ, so immediately my trading will go to the next level, right? So this is how once you start adding to your trading profits, you will improve immediately as a trader. Because in profit or loss, you will not sit relaxed, right? For example, if I'm making a lakh of rupees profit, so I think if I continue to do these things, my next level could be a 10 lakh rupees in a single day. As a day trader, I'm talking, right? So this is how I'm more serious about profit averaging, about trailing, about stop losses, about everything. Because I know यही वो चीज़ है जिसको follow करके gradually I'll improve and I'll take my trading to the next level, right? Similarly, suppose if I'm losing, I know, okay, once my account size is increased, this loss could be increased if I continue to do the same mistakes. So this will change your thought process, and this will definitely, and I'm damn sure that you will be a better trader after implementing this. So whether it worked for you or not, but